Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Pound sterling price news and forecast. GBP USD bulls remain at the mercy of USD price dynamics. NTVforex.com news ID 3C87473 3 minutes ago by NTV Forex team. GBP USD pendulum swings against the dollar but insufficient for a rally. GBP USD has been bouncing as the greenback dropped after US bond yields dropped following the bond auction, but the dollar's weakness looks insufficient to break the downtrend resistance. WADA's more. Concerns about the British economy remain prevalent and may weigh on the pound, and Forex's analyst Yohai Elam inform. Key quotes: A. The greenback gained ground after the US completed a massive auction worth $38 billion. Yields advanced before the offering, carrying the dollar higher with it, and then dropped, resuming the medium-term trend. A. Read more. NBSP GBP USD analysis. Bulls remain at the mercy of USD price dynamics. The GBP USD pair edged lower for the second consecutive session on Wednesday and dropped to over one-week lows, albeit managed to find decent support near the key 1.3000 psychological mark. A record drop in Britain's economic output during the second quarter of 2020 was outweighed by the emergence of some fresh selling around the US dollar, which was seen as a key factor lending some support to the major. The preliminary figures showed that the UK economy contracted by 20.4% in the second quarter of 2020 as compared to a 2.2% contraction recorded in the previous quarter. 2 consecutive periods of contraction means that the British economy is now in a technical recession. Meanwhile, the monthly report showed that the economy recorded a stronger than expected growth of 8.7% in June as against consensus estimates pointing to a reading of 8%. Read more. NBSP GBP USD climbs to session tops, eyeing to reclaim 1.3100 mark. The GBP USD pair jumped to fresh session tops in the last hour, with bulls now eyeing a move towards reclaiming the 1.3100 round figure mark. The pair gained some positive traction on Thursday, snapping 2 consecutive days of the losing streak and recovered further from the key 1.3000 psychological mark, or over one-week lows set in the previous day. The positive move was exclusively sponsored by the prevalent offered tone surrounding the US dollar, which remained depressed in the wake of the impasse over the next round of the US fiscal stimulus. Read more. GBP USD overview today. Last price 1.3101 today. Daily change 0.0067 today. Daily change percent 0.51 today. Daily open 1.3034 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 201.2919 daily SMA 501.2687 daily SMA 1001.2529 daily SMA 2001.2712 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.3068 previous daily low 1.3006 previous weekly high 1.3186 previous weekly low 1.2982 previous monthly high 1.317 previous monthly low 1.236 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 1.3029 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 1.3044 daily pivot point S1 1.3004 daily pivot point S2 1.2973 daily pivot point S3 1.2941 daily pivot point R1 1.3066 daily pivot point R2 1.3098 daily pivot point R3 1.3128 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.